Hello students, today I am back with one more activity for you and I hope you will enjoy this activity. So keep watching till end to understand how you have to perform this activity. First of all, in this activity you will have to make a grid of 6 by 17 columns. You have to make a grid vertically as well as horizontally. You have to make 6 columns and 17 rows. After making this grid, you have to write the countings in the column from 1 to 100. Keep remember 1 from the left towards the right. Start writing the counting. After writing the counting, you will watch the video and you will able to see how you can find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. After getting all the prime numbers, you have to color all the prime numbers with any. You can use any color. Also remember, you have to write the prime numbers you got. How many prime numbers you got, you have to keep the record of that. You will get 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. In the next step, you can check your answer. Here you go. So, these all are the prime numbers. I have colored it with the blue. You can use any color to mark the prime numbers. You will get total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. After watching the video attached in this, you can able to understand how you can find prime numbers from 1 to 100 very easily and quickly. So let's start. Now we will study how we can find prime numbers from 1 to 100. First of all, we will start from 1. We know 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we will cut this number. Now 2 is a prime number, circle it. अब आप देखिए, the numbers, all numbers after 2 are the multiples of 2. So we will cut all this line. These all numbers are not prime because they are even numbers. 3 is a prime number, so circle it. After 3, all the numbers below 3 are the multiples of 3. So we will cut all the numbers. Now 4 is a multiple of 2 and below 4 are all numbers evens. So cut all the even numbers because they all are multiple of 2. These all are also even numbers, so we will cut all the numbers. Now we are left with these numbers. Among these we have to find the prime factors. 5 is a prime number because it is a multiple of 1 and 5 only. Yes. Now we will take all the numbers. 7 is also a prime number. Now all the numbers of 7 will be cut. All multiples of 7 because they are the multiples of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 77 and 84. After that 91 and 98. These all numbers are cut. After then we will cut the multiples of 5. 5 के multiples भी cut कर दीजिए. We have cut all the multiples of 5 here. These all are the diagonally we will cut all the multiples of 5 and here we have cut all the multiples of 5. इन सब number को cut करके whatever the remaining numbers that are prime numbers, circle them all. 11 is prime, 13 is prime, 17 is prime, 19 is prime, 23 is prime, 29 is prime, 31 is prime, 37 is prime, 41 is prime, 43 is prime number, again 47 is prime, 53 is a prime number, 59 is also a prime number, 61, 67, 71, 73, then 79, 83, 89, 97. We all get here all the numbers which are circled as prime number. We have to just count. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So total 25 prime numbers. We got 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. We have taken the numbers in the pair of 6. You have to arrange the numbers in the pair of 6, and this is the simplest method to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Again I will show you. First we will cut 5 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then we have taken 2 as a prime number, and after this we will cut all the numbers which are even because they all are the multiples of 2. सबसे पहले हमने all even numbers cut किए हैं. 3 is a prime number और 3 के नीचे जितने भी numbers हैं these all are the multiples of 3. So these are also not prime. So we have cut all these numbers. Again 5 is a prime number, and after 5 we have cut all the multiples of 5. Then we have cut all the multiples of 5. You can see over here. 7 is a prime number. Then we have cut all the multiples of 7 here. हमने 7 के सारे multiples cut किए हैं, and the numbers which are remaining are the prime numbers. In this way you can find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Try this method, make a grid and send your pics to me through WhatsApp. Thank you.